Okay, girl. I know we've been gone for some time. Yeah, couldn't do that much because we didn't really have anything to film. But I'm back this Christmas. I will be off for a long time because my grandma, she gets to go to work and she's not telling me. And you guys might be saying, then the no camera. But nobody will be like camera. So let's get on the dark wheel. Got Play-Doh crates. Let's open it. This thing is big.
Let's get a good look at it. Let's see. Oh. Let me see. Okay.
Okay. Now let's figure out how to open it. Okay. We can start at the bottom, but first I'm gonna lay down like this. Yeah, I look really funny when I lay down. I need some help. Okay.
Maybe you need to open it from the top with the handle.
I'm opening from
Okay.
Okay, we have bigger table. Good. This might be funny how I lay down. I don't know. Oh, God, there's a lot of pieces. Oh, God, that hurts. Got this side. Gotta kick it, but I can't. I've been gone for a long time and now you know. Can't remember how to use scissors. Taping my worst enemy. Because last night I had a party. I was getting some tape from my grandma. Just a little bit. She only made a little bit. Then I script my finger. Still got the mark right here. Come on, zoom in. Right there. See that mark right there? Yeah. Ouch. So guys, if you don't tape like harmless, still let parents do it with Quinny's or grandma. Oh, God. Okay, got some tape open. Wait, can I just do this? Guys, be careful opening stuff by yourself. I hurt you. Come on, girl, kill this bottle. Get this out of the little box. God.
You pull one in up.
Come on, I can't get the draw. Why don't you get this end?
So I gotta come around. Turn it around. Hold it. There we go.
Woohoo! Oh.
Whoops.
Oh. So, we still got it out.
It's so heavy.
I got it.
Let's look at it. Let's see what we got in here. What you got? I see a chicken leg.
Oh yeah, I have to check over. Gotta get all the Play-Doh.
There's a Play-Doh.
All the Play-Doh.
Got your utensils, plates.
Get these all out. Play-Doh on your bed. Put the Play-Doh on grandma's bed. Why we get this one? Oh. Quite good. Suckers. You turn, okay? Well, we want this to be Play-Doh. I am a strong girl. Okay. Now, I could do ice cream because I really want to do it. The pot at the space mode. Can I marshmallow ice cream. There. So basically, I'm gonna make a green popsicle.
So you want to move the rest of the stuff out of the way right now?
That's what they sauce. So what I'm doing is this. You guys can take a look at all the other stuff we got. We're making this, and yeah. I look at me. I split on each side. Yeah, I can't wait. I think it's ready already. Oh yeah. Are you guys ready to see this?
Ooh.
No. Nope. Yuck. You need to spread out the plate. Like this. Like that. Raw black. Raw black. Spam. Serve. Shazam. And there. Stay. Got this excess. Squish it together. We should have it perfectly. Not. Okay, it's not to the wall. Let's get that Play-Doh down. To make some of this, like. Okay, we gotta make this chicken. We gotta look at this chicken list.
Our favorite chicken leg.
Get it out. And if you're a vegetarian, then get out of here. Just kidding. I love vegetarians. That would help. Okay, good. Why don't you focus on getting the other stuff out? Yeah, like little.
Push it from the bottom. I'm gonna push it from under.
Slip. Whoa.
Like that. Push it too. Let me see. Let me see.
I'm not big. Oh, snap. Girl.
Oh, it made me so hard. Blackish.
By the way, that video is sponsored by Playdoh.
Okay, this is. Let me see the scissors. That's all. Okay.
Miss, you got the chicken. Oh, you work
You want
on
me to hold this?
You work on getting the other things out. Work on this. So, need some white. Chicken leg. White on this here. Look at that white. Nice and fresh. Looks a little kind of dirty. But who cares? That's Play-Doh. Who cares about Play-Doh? A little bit of white. Try some in there. And there's some Play-Doh. Add some more Play-Doh like that. Oh, trying to take our dark brown. How would you like your chicken to be cooked? Light brown or dark brown?
Dark.
Brown. Come on. Get out. You guys don't know, I used my tooth as a kid as a Play-Doh opener. Some other thing. I just don't want to talk about it right now. Let's add some brown. Round in here like some rain. And some chicken, big sticky, and some yeah, some chicken legs. Yeah, yeah, the pepper bread. Just cover up this piece right here. Get ready to see how our chicken legs turn out.
Make me hungry.
And while we're waiting for this to cook, yeah, the bouquet. Yeah. Well, that's what I say. This is one of the fair. Maybe I did it wrong. Maybe I just gonna just over here. And this and here. That. Maybe some more. Just might not be a fair. Maybe some more brown. Please work, please work, please work, please. Guys, sing with me. Please, please, please work. Please, please, please work. This lip over here will not stick to the other button.
Take the chicken out, see what it. Okay.
Oh, well.
Okay.
That's a really ugly
Let's
chicken.
see. Like something I would cook. Turn it around. Okay, that's not too bad. I think you did a pretty good job.
It's way out here.
Cool. Let me see. You take a bite. Oh, it's already broke the bone, huh?
Yeah.
You take a bite of it. Tastes like Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yummy.
You say eggs, it tastes like Kentucky Fried.
Yummy. You got some macaroni and cheese to go with it?
Grandma, look at all this stuff. It's gonna fit. It's gonna be the same. Hold out. Scissors, please. Buddy.
Right here.
Scissors. Oh, quick. How'd you do this? We're doing a video. Let me help.